Hey everyone, welcome to Coconut Courses. This is Shelley, and I'm going to talk to you today about the Do Not Disturb settings on your iPhone. Now, why would you want to use the Do Not Disturb settings? Well, we've got lots of important reasons for why you might want to have this turned on. So let's go take a look. You might want an undisturbed sleep for a change. You might be going into a meeting, an appointment, or church. You can still allow calls from your favorites though, and we have an important safety feature for you, which is to turn on the Do Not Disturb while you're driving. Let's go see where we can turn these features on. So you'll head into the settings icon right there, wherever that is on your iPhone, whatever screen that's on. And then you want to head to the Do Not Disturb area, which is a half moon icon. So just click on that and we'll get to all the settings. Let's go take a look. While you're in the Do Not Disturb area, we've got our toggle here at the top. So we'll be turning that on. So it'll turn green when it's on. Another thing that we can do is we can schedule our Do Not Disturb area. Scheduling means that you will not be disturbed by your phone between certain hours. So the default on my phone said that I didn't want to be disturbed between 10 p.m. and 7 a.m. So if I do want to adjust that, I can change the time, and you simply type in a new time below. You can allow calls from your favorites. So you would mark those as favorites in your contacts, and you could allow a call to come in from everyone, no one, or just your favorites. Let's go take a look at this section, Do Not Disturb while driving. So we have three options. Automatically have that turned on, or if your car has it, we can have it connected to Bluetooth, or you can manually turn this on every time that you drive. So I'm going to put mine to when connected to car Bluetooth. What happens here is if somebody texts you or calls you, they're going to receive a message that says, I'm driving with the Do Not Disturb while driving turned on. I'll see your message when I get where I'm going. You can click in this box and edit that to a more personal message if you wish. You can get to this area by going through your settings, but you also can access it through your control panel. So I've swiped up from the bottom of my screen. You can see the half moon on my page here. I would click that. So tap it once to turn it on, and you can see that I won't be disturbed until tomorrow at 7 a.m. And another thing I can do is I can hold my finger on that icon and I will access these quick features. So I get an hour until this evening, or I can click the word schedule at the bottom and I'll get back into the settings that I was previously showing you. So go in there, take a look, and see which features you would like to turn on. Thanks for watching, and I hope you learned something about the Do Not Disturb settings. Please hit subscribe below so you receive new videos as they're posted. Visit our website, coconutcourses.com, and follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Coconut Courses. We give you tech tips so your kids don't have to.